special evening demo for you. But we won't do this demo until we let you know who's here. He's holding the firework tonight. It's Sergeant Pyro. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro. Wow! Sergeant Pyro, what do we have tonight?
We got Glitter Star in the Sky.
And who's it from?
Top Gun?
TOPGUN Fireworks. That's right up his alley. Ex-military and security on the ranch. All the ranches in the area. Now, these are little spinners. They call them stickless rockets, if I said it right. So they do have a report, as you can see. Where's my fat finger? Here it is. You can see down over there. What do we got on the back there, Sergeant Pyro? Yeah, warning. Yeah. Light fuse and get away! All right, we'll flip it around. So Sergeant Pyro, of course, being ex-military and special security, everything with explosives. I'll be filming, he'll be lighting. And together, we'll be enjoying. Off to the street pad! Yeah! All right, we're going to do the first one here. Go, Sergeant Pyro. All right. Whoa! All right, number 2. Oh, well, it's... Whoa!
I call that short fuse.
We'll keep going with number 3 here. There it goes. It went down the block. All right, let's do another one. We're still live. All right. That was short fuse. There we go. Whoa! Okay, Sergeant Pyro, let's go again. Whoa! Barbecue! All right. So, Sergeant Pyro and I decided this is great. These are fun. Let's see if we can light 3 together. Here we go, Sergeant Pyro. Whoa, there they go.